splitter made in Minnesota in 1930 by the Hires and McCormick's family. It was brought out here in 1980. I put it together the way it was. They gave it to me 6 weeks ago. Okay?
Okay.
I can zoom in.
And there's a kind of zoom in so we can see what it looks like here. There we go.
You got it?
And we thank you very much, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, at 1 o'clock, we're starting our parade. We will be welcoming the Golden State Draft and Mule Association. Noel Darnell will be speaking, so please spread the word. Get on your cell phones and call everybody at 1 o'clock. We're starting with the draft horses and mule teams, and at 1:30, we'll have our tractor parade. We'll see you right here in just a couple of minutes.
Retired Professor Chico State. Most of physical therapists in this central part of California were probably students of his at one time. Bill was also a basketball coach at Chico State for years. He's driving a Shire quarter horse cross and another Shire on the other side. Bill hails from Chico, California. He's driving a four-cart, pulling two sections of spike tooth harrow. After they plowed disc, they'd pull the harrows across the ground. Thank you there, Dr. Colvin. And that's Quincy and Lincoln. Lincoln on the left-hand side there. Okay, yeah, and the horse, you saw him go down early. He got hooked up and he fell down, but he's fine. He didn't, no blood on him anywhere or anything. You guys can come around one more time if you want, Steve. All right, well, this next entry right here, this is the McBride family. This is a Belgian draft horse. It's a Belgian gelding and a Belgian mare, brother and a sister. And these are Tom and Sid McBride from Oroville, California. His son Eldon on the back, and their daughter-in-law, Corey Lynn, her youngest daughter, Rachel. We got the twins. Where's Sydney? Where are you, Sydney? Hi, Sydney. And then Bryce, wave, Bryce, and then Luke. Future, they're all members of the Draft Horse Club, future Teamsters, we hope. And that's Sid McBride on the back. Sid's probably one of our better female drivers in the club. We have about 60 people. She works real hard at it and does a good job. These are what we call Roan Belgians. Thank you, McBride. Revolutionized road building, land leveling just overnight in this country. And they were developed down in Fresno, California by James Porteous, a Fresno blacksmith. And he made a fortune off of those Fresno scrapers. They went everywhere around the world where Stanford Stadium was dug using Fresnos. All these waterways around Sacramento, all these reservoirs, all dug using horses, mules, and Fresno scrapers. Then we have a couple of plows there. Then we have a buck scraper, tailboard scraper, which they use for leveling. That was developed in the 1880s also. But he's been working with me now for about 14 years and an excellent hand with horses also. But we really appreciate the efforts of the Historical Society to put this on, have us down here, because a lot of us don't have places to play at home. So it's nice to be able to come down and try to use some of this old equipment and show people how it was once done. Let the horses use it, the disc, plows, harrows, you name it. So we really appreciate being here. It's a fantastic facility, and we wish spread the word, tell your friends to come out and join us next year. So we're taking his pictures, and then we're going to move on. So you might want to take a look at some of that rare equipment. Like I say, there's a...
Thank you very, very much. Let's give them all a big hand. It's a lot of work to move these horses out here and to work them, and we just really appreciate the Golden State Draft and Mule Association. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions for them, you can wander back to the back. Is that okay later? The public is more than welcome to take a look and ask some questions. Thank you so much. In just a couple minutes, we're going to be starting our tractor parade. Once again, thank you, Noel and Darnell, and the members of the Golden State Draft and Mule Association. One more big hand, please. Thank you.